I spent hours blowing out my hair. It's a goddamn chore. Without this product, the next day my hair is wrinkly and it looks terrible. I'm done wearing shoes that are so tight that by the end of the night, I'm sitting more than I'm walking. Hands-free. I like low friction in my life. No bra, because it's built in. I have a big butt and hips. I'm always trying to conceal it somehow. There are things that can slow us down. Bone aches, fatigue, uncomfortable things, but there are things that make our days easier, our routines faster, our bodies stronger, us more confident, more active. I try everything to find what really supports me, and today I'm sharing a few of my favorites with you. I spent hours blowing out my hair. And I can make it last for 5 full nights, but I must be using this product. This is not just any silk cap. Double lined, prevents friction and frizz, and it won't fall off at night, but it won't leave those marks. This cap is adjustable and it's breathable, and I don't wake up hot and sweaty. You know, at this time of life, hot and sweaty is a thing. I put it on my hair and I wake up and my hair looks like I just blew it out. This keeps my hair smooth and shiny. For vacation, I want jewelry that is going to be versatile, and this Ana Luisa jewelry I love. Gold-plated, super affordable, tarnish-free, hypoallergenics, such good quality, everyday wear, but high-end look. This necklace is adjustable. As I go on vacation, I don't know the neckline that I'll be wearing, and so I can adjust it. I'm just going to wear hoops when I go to the beach. At night, I'm going to dress it up like this. Going to the beach, taking my Ana Luisa necklace and making it longer because I want to elongate my décolleté. Earlier, I did yoga and I did it on the short one so that when I did a plank or a downward dog, the necklace didn't go over my face. Tonight, when I go out to dinner, I'm going to put it on the longest length. 3 lengths, longest, medium, and short. Easy to put on. The holes are not so small that you can't get them in. These 2 French guys started this brand, are genius. They make everything versatile but comfortable. You know, when you go on vacation, you're always overpacked and then everything's a mess. I like to pack so that I don't have too many things. My Kizik sneakers. As I'm packing, I literally don't know which ones to take. I can't take all of these, and I have more. Nothing's wrong with me physically, so why am I addicted to these Kizik sneakers where I just slip in and I don't need to bend over and tie them? I bought pair after pair. I bought my husband a matching pair. My kids have them. Oh gosh, I can't stop buying them. This is something you didn't know you needed, but you need it. That Bombas socks. I know it feels like, well, they're socks, but I love them. Oh, and I got these white ones. They're cute, little bumblebee in the back. They're just so stretchy. I keep buying new ones. I'm only taking my Bombas socks. The best bras ever. I have them in every color, and it's all I'm wearing now. Under outfit bras. I used to only wear bras with underwire because looking perfect was more important than anything. Now it's comfort. These bras feel like heaven. They're stylish. See, it has a little lace. It's stretchy, it's soft, it supports, and it separates the boob area. Speaking of the boob area, am I the only one? I can't stand it when I wear a thin white shirt and you can see my nipples. So I'm always getting these inserts to put in my bra. And they're all gross and disgusting. But these cakes, they're so good. They're easy to wash. They stay on, but they're not sticky. They won't fall off, but they're not sticky. And so many of them are sticky or too thin, make you hot. I put these on and I forget. And then I can wear a thin white shirt and I don't have to worry about my nipple outline showing. I don't know why that's a thing for me. I know a lot of people don't care. If I'm wearing a thin shirt, I'll put these cakes inside. This stretchy tank top from Amazon with a built-in bra. I can work out in it. I can go walking in it. I can sleep in it. They are so comfortable. I realized I want another one. I'm about to order myself another one. I like to sleep in it, walk around the house with it, go out at night. Now that I'm packing, I realize even though I have a few, I want more. They are that good. Oh, I'm wearing a size medium, even though lately I kind of went to a size medium large. I used to be a size small, maybe a medium. Now I'm a large, maybe a medium. You know what I mean? If you're all about easy, go, but looking good, sexy, chic, this tank top.
3 more of my most favorite tanks just came in. Oh, and I just came from the gym and I wore it to the gym.
These pants I'm wearing are so luxury. I can go walk the dog, go grocery shopping, put on a blouse and wear them in the evening. They feel so soft, so comfortable, elastic waistband. The pockets are big and deep. They look really stylish, but when I have them on, I feel I can get up and do anything. They look dressy, but they feel like pajama pants. These are actually slimming. Guys, I have a big butt and hips, so I'm always trying to conceal it somehow. And there are these 2 seams in the front of the pants that draw the eye in. They're in the middle of the leg, make me look thinner and slimmer. I can wear heels with them, sneakers or flip-flops. And my favorite, guys, I'm only 5'1", and these pants come for different inseams. So not only do you not have to spend the time and money to alter them, but they fit much better in the torso area. And they don't wrinkle, perfect for travel. So I'm gonna wear this on the plane. Stretchy tank top with a built-in bra, my stretchy pants, all cheap from Amazon, with a pocket, throw on a jacket, and I'm ready to go. Ladies, here's the sad reality. Since the 80s, manufacturers started making font on products smaller and smaller. Okay. Maybe it's my eyesight. Not being able to see slows us down, whether it's putting together a recipe and looking at the instructions, reading a menu. I just want to be on the go. I don't want to have to slow down because I'm always losing my readers. This is the answer. They're thin like cardboard. They fit into a pocket. Look. So light. There's literally nothing to them, and they are such good quality. These glasses are genius. I keep these everywhere. Put them on. And you never have to carry bulky things. Put this in the tiniest little bag. The tiniest little bag. This next item is by far my favorite, but I'm gonna admit my friends make fun of me. My friends are still in the stage of life where they're wearing fancy designer bags. For me, they're heavy, and I don't want anything heavy on my shoulders, or I'm worried to just throw them on the ground because I don't want them to get scratched because it's expensive. Yeah, they make fun of me. And honestly, I don't understand why the entire world doesn't have this. We're all addicted to our phone. But we need to be hands-free. You're at a cocktail party, you're walking around the house. This phone case is a wallet. It fits like 5 or 6 cards. I can put some money in here. I have this little wristlet because I want to be hands-free. I put this wristlet on. Or if I'm traveling and I have directions on my phone, like I was traveling in Rome with my son and I constantly needed something on my phone, whether it was a translation, directions. So this is a crossbody bag with a wallet. This has RFID protection so people can't steal your information. But sometimes I do want to carry a little bit more, which is where I have this pouch. This pouch will fit my car key, my headphones, and a little lipstick. And it will just attach to this. Sometimes I want to be a little fancier. Just get a chain like this that dresses it up and looks a little bit fancier. After 50, it's all about comfort. I don't care if you've seen me in it. I don't care if it's not the coolest in trend style. Style used to be about impressing other people. Now it's about supporting myself. Everything I showed you makes life after 50 easier, lighter, freer, stronger. Now we get to dress for ourselves. Comfort doesn't mean letting yourself go. It means finally being free to show up fully with the energy to stay out late. No, I don't stay out late. To walk further, laugh more, do more, not sit out things because my feet hurt. And that's where the sexy comes in. And if you're over 50 and want to live life active and to the fullest, click this next video because I'm creating an entire series of things that make us feel good, confident, sexy, and less fussy. And if that's where you're too, hit the like and the subscribe button and tell me what makes you feel powerful and comfortable in the comments below.